nice experience.
Thank you. Thank you for
Thank
sharing.
you. Thank you.
Thank you, and take it forward and bring
Yes.
more and more magics into your life.
Yes.
Yes. Shweta, you wanted to share?
Yeah, yeah. There's a very small thing which has happened. Like yesterday in the morning, in Count My Blessings, I had noted down that I would be going today for my vaccination. So, and yesterday in the night when the slots opened, I saw there was no vaccination booking available slot. And within span of 10 minutes, my sister-in-law called up that she has booked the slot. And I have written the date and the time yesterday in the morning. Imagine it, and
That's
I
Wow.
so
have written
nice.
it, and it has happened. So today in the morning, I would be going for my vaccination.
Wow.
Great.
So
So
it's
it's
a
not
very
a small
simple
magic.
thing.
Remember, no
Yeah,
magics are small. Magic is a
not small,
magic.
a very simple thing. Yeah, a very
Yeah.
simple thing.
No, nothing
So
is simple. It's a beautiful thing, and it just happened in few minutes. You said just 10 minutes. Your sister called you.
yeah, my sister-in-law called up and she
Still
said
called
that
you.
like I
Wow.
had lost the hopes because on my phone the slots weren't available in the evening.
Hmm.
But later, after I switched off my phone, the slot, she called me up 10 minutes later that Bhabhi, your slot has been booked.
Lovely, lovely. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing. Yes. Who else wants to share?
Yes,
Yes, Meher.
Chandrika.
Yeah. After Meher, Shikha, you can share. Okay. Yes. Sorry, Chandrika. Yeah, Chandrika. Yeah.
Yes, whole day I felt very heavy. I'm not able to write about that person. कि मैं कैसे लिखूं यार? No, yes, no, yes, no. The whole day was gone like this only. I thought that there was no my mistake. Then why I have to write everything? I didn't do anything like this way. Then afterwards, no. Then I have from inside. I just want to clean everything. I don't want the bad smell of the red that. And then I called to Vandana, and then she suggests me. She explains me everything, each and everything properly, nicely. You are the creator of each and everything. Then I just took the book and I write everything, and I feel very light now. I feel कि no, we have to move forward in my life. I don't want to stop anywhere now. Thank you so much, Vandana.
Thank you. Thank you for
Great,
taking it up.
great, Chandrika.
And Chandrika, do it again today. Till the time you feel that the person comes in front of you, you go in front of the person, and your emotions are neutral. You are in that happy space. That is the point where we need to go. That is the whole science behind this assignment, this magical practice. Okay, so keep
Yes,
on
yes.
writing.
It was really very heavy to write. When I was writing, not able to write, the whole day was very sad, really. Then also, no, I want to do it. That the thing is that inside me. Then I did. Finally, I did. Just support of yours, Vandana. Thank you
Thank
so
you. Thank you
much.
for doing it. Thank you so much.
That's really good initiative, Chandrika.
Yes, thank you. Wow. Yes, yeah, Shikha, you want to share? Yes. You're muted. We can't hear you. Unmute yourself. Yes.
Shweta, I'm so used to this in school. My sister Shweta
Yeah, yeah.
said Shweta Shikha, so that took me back there. But I would like to share. Yesterday, I was in a very happy space in the morning after the session. And in my blessings also, I wrote about relationships when in the morning before the session. But after the session, like I was in the house, I had thought of the person whom I had to write. I had to vent out for that person. And I was having mixed feelings. I was not sure. I was irritated, angry on that person. But in the afternoon, after lunch, I got time yesterday. So I wrote down the things for what I'm grateful to that person. Trust me, I could write pages and my things changed after that. My mindset definitely changed. I looked at that person in a different way totally. the same thing that she told or he told in the morning was repeated in the evening, but I took it so differently that it did not affect me. I was at peace at that time. I was in a calmer state. So thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. And keep on doing it. If you feel any point of time you feel कि हाँ, you're getting stuck in this relationship again, वापस कुछ अटक रहा है, then just sit and write down again. And believe me, once you've started, then it will not take you more than 5-10 minutes, and you will be out of that thought again.
I just wanted,
Huh?
yeah, Reeth here. I just want to clear one thing. So can we tear off the page after writing?
Yeah, you can. And the
Okay.
best thing is that if you really want to add on one more prop to it, what you can do is take a candle, put the paper in the flame and just burn it, and the ashes which is there, you can just flush it.
Okay.
So then the mind, so if sometimes the mind feels that it wants more and more, to understand that yes, whatever thoughts and feelings and emotions that you were carrying for that person is now purified.
Yeah.
Remember we saw in the picture, the chapter, that the fireplace and the candle was there.
Yeah. With the heart.
Yeah. So then you can just, that's an indication that you can do that way also. So
Yeah.
supposing, so if all of you can try that. Yeah.
Okay.
And
Thank you.
I've tried it. So just
Yeah.
yeah. So
Yeah,
it works.
ठीक है.
It goes little deeper. The entire practice becomes little deeper.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
पूजा here.
Yes, Pooja ji.
मैम कल मैंने वो सिचुएशन कल 11 बजे तक तो आई वाज वेरी हैवी, मतलब सोच ही नहीं पा रही थी क्या लिखूं क्या करूं. फिर मैंने जब मैं आई गॉट टाइम, परफेक्ट टाइम, तो मैंने बैठ के वो सिचुएशन वापस से दिमाग में आती. जब भी वो आती है तो रोना आ ही जाता है, ऐसा था. बट पता नहीं, मैंने कभी किसी के लिए बुरे विचार कभी दिन में आए ही नहीं उनके लिए. बट yesterday I wrote for all three of them. वही सिचुएशन में जो तीनों लोग थे उन सबके लिए मैंने लिखा. एंड एट द इवनिंग जब वो सिचुएशन वापस से याद आई तो मुझे रोना नहीं आया. दैट वाज द कंप्लीट, मतलब अभी क्या है, दिल साफ हो गया. ऐसे लगता है. वो कैसे है कि वो जो दो जन इन्वॉल्व है ना, वो तो अभी इतने अच्छे रिलेशन है मेरे साथ उनके कि शायद मम्मा भी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है जितना वो दो जन अच्छे हैं, ऐसा है. मगर और एक जो है वो टाइम पे 10 मिनट मिले, उसके बाद मैं उनसे कभी मिली नहीं. मगर एवरीथिंग इज नाउ, मतलब ऐसे लग रहा है अभी मुझे वो सिचुएशन जब याद आती है तो वो मुझे अफेक्ट नहीं कर रहा है.
Lovely. So keep on rechecking yourself. अगर आपको थोड़ा भी लगे, then start writing again. उसको वो जो अंदर जो फंसा हुआ है, जो बदबू है, जिसके कारण your other relations and your other areas of your life are getting affected. So now you will experience a lot of magics, because at times we don't understand कि उसका effect कहाँ तक पहुँच रहा है. We don't even understand that. Yeah. So keep on doing, and I'm so glad that you took it up. Lovely. So anybody else wants to share anything?
Yes. Yesterday I couldn't, so today I want to share.
Yeah.
I was not able to write the count your blessings every morning. So I've started that, and it is actually making a lot of difference in my daily schedule. Like, I am maximum able to sleep only 4 to 5 hours, but now that is more like a peaceful sleep. Like when my whole day was going little drowsy or something like that in the day, at least 1 or 2 hours goes like that. But now it's like I'm fresh the whole day, in spite of the sleep as being same. So that has been a difference because of you for encouraging me. And thank you for sending the seeds, and your son's cookies were really awesome.
Thank you.
So yeah, she had sent me the seeds, and yeah, where did it go? 1 second. Okay.
That's fine.
Yeah. So yeah, now help me how to grow the plant.
Yeah, I'll send you the video, because I'm going through for myself. So then I will send
So thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for. So today you wrote count your blessings in the morning.
Yeah.
Lovely. Now keep it like that only.
Yes.
Yeah. Continue doing that. Awesome. So once the body experiences, because we are all learning a new language now. So once
Yeah.
the body experiences, then we actually want to take it forward.
Yes.
Lovely.
Even
Lovely.
the plan your day is working so well that my whole schedule is how I actually wanted. I used to never plan my day. Like, क्योंकि I used to feel कि जिस दिन मैं सोचती हूँ उस दिन वो होता ही नहीं है वाला thing होता था. So the now it's like completely ulta. It's like time to time I'm just running on the clock. My mom used to always complain, "Arey घड़ियाल जो, see the watch, you are not looking at the watch." So now it's like I'm actually looking at the watch and I'm like I'm running on it. It's like that.
Awesome. Awesome.
Thank you.
So that was a belief which you actually yielded.
Developed. Yeah.
That belief was there. So yes, lovely, lovely. Awesome. So lovely. Anybody else wants to share? I have a sharing. So yesterday when I mentioned that, you know, that one person and the second person, day before yesterday in the night, it was just coming and bombarding in my mind. So yesterday I picked up that one cousin of mine, jinke liye I was holding grudges since my childhood. And I'm so glad that he came and he's not there anymore. So yesterday when I sat down to write, actually I was stuck. You know, I was really stuck. एक मैंने start किया किसी तरह, one point I wrote and I couldn't understand that what to write further. I was actually, then I just sat down with myself. I shut my eyes and I said, आज तो मुझे लिखना ही है. Since it has come in front of me, there's a reason and the universe wants me to do it. So I just started writing, and so many things came up which I didn't realize and never came into my mind that he was so good. You know, so many things he did for us and so many learnings, my life lessons were associated with him. So many things I learned and I kept on writing, and I could write 11 points and I was so glad that wow. So then I actually did, and of course, you know, after that there was a different feeling altogether. Matlab, my body was feeling light. There was some kind of heaviness which had gone from my body. And then again, you know, I remembered before going to sleep, before doing the magic rock practice, I again brought that person. And how am I feeling? Otherwise, unki bare mein yaad karte hi, so many negative thoughts used to start coming. So I could actually feel the light inside me and the light within. I mean, he was actually feeling, he was blessing me actually. I could actually feel him blessing in the night, you know, when I was doing the magic rock practice. So that was my best experience which I had picked up, and the best thing that happened during the day. And I could see him smiling and blessing and, you know, giving me his good wishes. So that was really beautiful. And today morning, again, I picked up that one more person, my co-sister-in-law. So actually, I wrote for her only, and I was actually, again, I felt that, you know, whatever I was holding on to, I was holding on to, not she. I was holding on to, because she did her level best when, even when I got married, she actually took great care of me. So I wrote all those things what she did for me during the days, you know, when we were together. So that was also a real good experience. And I'm telling you, all of you, if you are still feeling that, you know, there are a few people whom you don't want to touch, don't miss this opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity. Do it right now. Agar ek jan ka likha hai kal, then there are many people. Keep on doing it. And I saw actually, if you are in the flow of it, then it doesn't take you more than 15-20 minutes to do it. You can choose any part of your day. It's always better to just lighten yourself so that you can move closer to your dreams. So yes, so
Yes.
now we can, that's
Oh,
a
ma'am.
really good experience which I had. Thank you everyone for helping me to do that, because since I don't know, I was wondering how these two didn't come in my, and I was not getting the inclination to work on them, especially that one person which I took in the morning. Yes, thank you. Yes.
Just one question. Like when we were writing this, so are we supposed to write something which has happened good to us? Their good qualities also can be a part of it.
Their good qualities. You are appreciating
Okay.
the relationship between you and the other person. You're telling good qualities about the other person so that, you know, your whatever the coverings which you have created will dissolve. Because it's all
Okay.
about the other person. You want to heal
Yeah.
your relationship with
Not
the other person.
necessary it is something related good to us or something like that, no?
Yes, it could be both.
Yeah,
So
both,
what that
but
person has done for
yeah.
you when you were
Okay.
together,
Huh.
or before the you know, the breakdown happened, how was your relation? So there's so many good memories you shared with that person. Could be
Okay.
with you, or could be, you know, something around the person took good care of. You remember the example which we read?
Yeah.
So just I mean,
Okay.
everything good you can talk about the person, whether it was you were involved, or that person took care of the other people in the family, or wherever, you know, wherever you are in the job, if you are seeing, then whatever you can talk good about the person.
Okay.
Yes, thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank
Thank you
you.
for asking. Yes, so then we can start today's session. As chapters in life yesterday, relation chapter before night. Okay, Jeelan Shah has written, as chapters go on, situation are coming in my life. Yesterday was relationship chapter, day before night I had a small argument, and today it's about health and I have tooth surgery done yesterday. It's real magic for me to learn magic. Wow. Yeah. So what the argument which you had, did you write for that person? Was it resolved or you're still holding on to it? आप बोल नहीं सकते? Are you not in a position to speak? Because I've always seen you writing messages on the chat. Jinal ji. Huh. Not in a position to speak?
No, ma'am, I can't speak today too much because I've got my
Sorry.
tooth
Yeah.
surgery done.
Okay. Yeah.
And even in my house, everybody's sleeping at this time. So I generally write on chat.
Okay. So then if you haven't done that, have you worked on that person with whom you had a small argument?
No, ma'am. Yesterday I couldn't because I was half a day in just tooth surgery, and then I didn't. It was very painful, so I just took rest yesterday.
कोई बात नहीं. आज कर पाओगे आप?
Yes, ma'am. Today I'll do it.
Please do it. Please do it and see the miracles happening in that part of your life. Yes.
Oh,
but
thank
yes,
you,
thank you for being in that awareness mode that yes, everything, life is unfolding in front of you. And
yeah, as chapter goes by, I feel the previous day I have experienced this thing which I have to learn from this 2 days.
Yeah, I got it what you're saying. Awesome. Lovely. So yes, who wants to read today's chapter?
May I?
Magic and miracles in health. Who's this?
Pooja.
Yeah, please. So let's look at the picture. Day 16, magic and miracles in health. So I'll just go to the next page so that you can connect both the pictures. These are small bottles. The bigger bottle, the upper part of it is in the previous picture. And just have a look at the picture and see what you can see in the picture, whatever is your perception, whatever, create a story around it. Enter the picture.
उल्टा लिखा है magic.
Yes, everyone.
उल्टा लिखा है, so it means it's a action.
क्या लिखा है उल्टा? क्या लिखा है? What can you read?
Magic.
Magic.
Elixir.
Magic elixir. What does that mean? What is elixir?
Elixir means.
Yes. Anybody look in the dictionary? What does that mean?
Magic potion.
Magic potion. Yes.
The beauty is you are inside that shop. You're not looking from outside. You already have it.
You already have the magic potion. Okay, lovely.
That's why it's ulta, na? Otherwise, you would see Sida if you're seeing it from outside.
Yes, yes. Wow. Mirror image, yes. But yeah, you could say it as a mirror image. You can say it as who was that? Shailaja?
Shailaja here.
Yeah.
What
So
I
yeah, what you said was
meant-
really beautiful. Yes.
What I meant was, if you're seeing it as a shop and you're seeing it from outside, you will see it Sida. But if
Got
you're
it. Got it. Yeah.
you will see it.
Yes. 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 So magic is inside you. That elixir is inside you. Is it?
Yeah.
Yes. Do you feel that? Yes.
Yes.
So it also means a substance. Elixir is a substance which is held capable of changing base metals into gold, and a substance which is held capable of prolonging life. What is that substance we are talking about?
Gratitude.
Gratitude, everyone. And it is a cure for everything. It's a potion guaranteed to induce love. So love is the next step which we are going to experience after gratitude. And sometimes you might have experienced by being grateful, you actually start experiencing love. And love is the highest form of feeling. The highest power, which, we're not talking of love between a girl and a boy over here. It's the love between everyone, every human being. What we are actually love. Yes, somebody wanted to say anything? Yes?
No, nothing.
Okay. Okay, so what are these bottles? Just describe more.
The bottles are 3/4 filled.
Okay. So then? So yes.
मतलब आधी दवाई खा ली है.
नहीं, that means
आधी दवाई खा ली है.
it means at least they are 3/4 filled.
So yes, anybody wants to throw light on this 3/4 filled or 1/4 empty? How would you see it?
3/4 filled.
1/4 medicines we have taken, and 3/4 we have to take.
Okay.
और हमने जितना ग्रेटिट्यूड अपनी लाइफ में है लिया है, दैट कंटेंट जो भी है, क्वालिटी और क्वांटिटी डजंट मैटर, जस्ट ग्रेटिट्यूड. नथिंग इज मेजरेबल, just gratitude. More gratitude, more magic, more magical life.
Lovely. Wow, really beautiful. See how we are deciphering, कैसे हमको अपने तरह से each one of us are unique. So many things are coming up. Wow.
Now I can make my medicines myself.
Acha, wow, that's so beautiful. And it's already there inside your body. Your body is a chalta firta pharmacy. Everything is manufactured inside the body. So yes, rightly said. Now you can make, it's already being made, Chandrika. It's already being made inside. You just have to tap it.
So up till now,
Yes.
So up till now, this was required, the additional source of medicine was required to cure yourself. But now, since the gratitude is built inside us, we don't require the rest 3/4 of the bottle, which is filled. So now it will be the gratitude which will work as a medicine, and we don't require the additional source of medicine.
Yes, which will work, no, which is working.
Which is working, yeah.
Which is working, yes. Lovely. So then
I would like to put it as an energy drink rather than medicine.
As an energy drink, okay. Yes, medicine is also correct. Energy drink is also correct. Both are correct. You can take it the way your mind and your mind accepts it.
I
Yes.
want to say one thing. There are two bottles are dark color. तो इसमें हम पता नहीं लगा रहे कि कितना वो कितनी फिल है या कितनी एम्प्टी है. So be like a transparent bottle. So you can pay gratitude easily and feel others.
मैं उसमें एड ऑन ये करना चाहूंगी कि हमने जो भी हमने दवा ले ली है, तो जो ये डार्क साइड से हम ये ट्रांसपेरेंट साइड आ गए हैं, तो डार्क साइड की जो डार्क पोर्टल्स है वो कम है, वो थोड़ी ज्यादा है, तो हमारा हम पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड हमारा
ज्यादा डेवलप हुआ है.
Awesome, awesome, lovely. So are we all taking all this so beautifully? Everyone is describing. Awesome.
On the other end, it will be like scientifically 70% of our body is filled with water. So this is something like the way 70% of our body is filled with water, why not fill as much as gratitude and fill that 70% को 100% तक लेके जाने के लिए we'll keep adding. So till now we can take it in a vice versa way, that till now it's ulta, that 70% we are already done with the gratitude, adding it inside us, and now only the 30% is remaining and we'll be done with it like now.
Beautiful. And then it will be 100% gratitude and gratitude.
Yes.
Gratitude. Yeah, beautiful. And then we will actually enter into the world of love, which is all the power book is about, all love only. You know, the power book. By the next book, which we are going to do after this session, the next will be power. So it's all about love, love in its various forms and shapes and sizes. So
and since love is unconditional, the transparency will always remain with us, like the transparent bottles.
Sorry, come over it again.
Since the bottles are transparent and love is very unconditional, so we'll have the transparency of love, the unconditionalness of gratitude and love within us, like the bottles are transparent.
Very good. Awesome. Awesome. Really beautiful. So yes. Anybody else wants to add on anything? Some more elixir to our discussion. So then we can start reading today's chapter. Yes. Let's read these.
Happy morning to all. Happy morning to all.
Happy morning.
Miracles, miracles are not contrary to nature, but only contrary to what we know about nature. Saint Augustine, 354 to 430, Theologian and Catholic Bishop.
Miracles are not contrary to nature. मतलब कि चमत्कार प्रकृति के विपरीत नहीं है, यह तो उसके विपरीत है जो हम अब तक प्रकृति के बारे में जानते हैं. Miracles are, nature is just miracles. Every moment so much is happening around us. Only thing we need to see. So many things, if you look around, how the universe is, how the solar system is, how the galaxies are, how weather changes, how the climate changes. I mean, it's so beautiful that somewhere it's rained in Delhi and the weather changes over here. You can see some cloudy sky and, you know, you can feel cool air. And how is that possible? You know, so many miracles are happening around us. The birds chirp, they start chirping at the same time every day, and without looking at the clock, you can say that it's this time. And when you see the clock, yes, it is the same time every day. A same time every day, a crow will come and sit outside your window and tap because you're giving food and water to the crow. How is that happening? It's all miracles that are happening in nature. And every moment the sun goes down, the sun rises at one particular time, it goes down, the moon comes, day, night, everything changes. What is happening? Who is making all this happen? And how is this happening? So these are miracles that we need to focus our mind on. And constantly, every single day, miracles are happening. A small seed as a seed of a rye, rye के दाने के जितना उससे भी छोटा seed होता है, and how a spinach plant grows. And how is it possible? Just from that small seed. The small seed grows into a tulsi plant. How? How is that possible? And what is happening? There is some creative process, there's some creation which is constantly happening around us. So let's now focus for some time of the day, shift your mind from all the activities of the day and just stand and admire nature. If we cannot go out now, you can just stand or sit in your balcony or outside your window. I mean, look outside the window and look at the sky. You'll see when you look at the sky, you will see so many shapes forming in the sky. You know, कभी कुछ घोड़ा जैसा दिखता है, कभी कुछ बिल्ली जैसा दिखता है. The clouds are forming in that. कभी कुछ horse जैसा दिखने लग जाता है. And even when you see at the sun rays and the feeling of the sun rays, the touch of the sun rays is different in different parts of the day. So all these miracles, today's chapter is inviting you to see and look at all the miracles that are in nature, not looking at those things which are the limitations. You know, the mind takes us to those limitations ki nahi, ye nahi hai. Miracles are there, right there waiting for you. Just as they are in nature, they are, and we are part of nature, because whatever is outside, our body and our mind is made up of that. We are made up of all the natural forces that we see outside our body. So then those miracles are constantly happening inside our body, especially when today's chapter, we are going to read about our health. So constantly, every moment, you know, just you have to experience that, just you have to feel that, and just you have to focus on that, so that that thing starts moving again. Agar stop hua hai, to humne hi kiya hai. If we are not feeling good today, if we are less than full health, something is not proper with us, there's some kind of aches and pains, it's all because of what we have started doing it. And we have stopped that flow of energy inside the body and around the body and outside the body. So then let's look at all this, because nature's miracles never stop. Nature doesn't say, no, today I'm not in a mood to, you know, give life to people, not in a mood to give the air to people, not in a mood to give the sunlight. You know, the sun never says like that. The moon never says like that. The wind never says, no, I want to stop blowing now. I don't want to give my energy to anybody. I don't want to give the prana to anyone. Moon doesn't say like that. Nature is always there. It's always will be, and it's always is. So it's always is, it's always there, it always will be. Just like that, the energy, the magical energy, if you can understand, the medicinal energy is always there in our body. Our body has the potential to heal itself. And how we get in touch with it, today's chapter will tell us very beautifully that how you can get in touch with all those energies which are there inside you, the healing, powerful, medicinal energies. If you connect with that word, because we always know that a medicine cures you, but the medicine is there inside you only. How? Let's understand and read.
We should feel healthy, energized, and full of happiness most of the time, because that is how it feels to have a birthright of full health. The reality, however, is that a lot of people don't feel this way very often. If ever, many people are dealing with illness, problems with the functioning of their body, or suffering from bouts of depression and other mental health problems, which are all state of less than full health.
Yes, so before we go further, let's understand that health, here we are not only talking of physical health, but mental health, which includes intellectual health, emotional health, spiritual health. Okay, so we are talking of all that. And also, let's identify our beliefs towards health, all of you. You know, many of us, I think most of us have that belief that if my parents had this, I'm going to have this. If my age is this, agar mera age 45 plus ho gaya hai, to I am going to get specs. If my parents had cancer, I am going to get it. If my parents had diabetes, I am going to get it. Oh, my father had hypertension, so I'm bound to get it. Everybody, yes, no?
Yes.
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 So
Yes.
these are beliefs that we have formed about health because of the medical science. I remember when my mom had breast cancer and when the reports were sent to US for, my father had just sent them to just get their viewpoint also. So then everybody, whomever we went to go, we used to go, whether it was for chemo or the reports, which all of them came up with just one point, that if you have a daughter, tell her to be careful and get a pap smear and a mammography done after the age of 35. Now that became a belief in my mind, but I'm so glad to my mind that one part of me said that now I'm going to really take care of my health and make this untrue. But a part of me had already accepted it. So it kept on with me, and it kept on with me, and anytime something used to happen and I used to identify, oh, I'm getting cancer. Actually, it was there, kuch bhi, matlab chota sa bhi dard, if it's coming in my stomach or something is happening, this thought used to come. Dheere dheere wo itna bad gaya, then actually I actually sat myself and I started affirming myself. That one affirmation helped me come out of that fear. There was that one affirmation which I kept on listening in the night and kept on listening and feeling it. And during the daytime also, when I used to be in an in-between sleep state, I'm talking of this about 6-7 years back. This fear just came out of my mind. Actually, the thing is that you have to identify that for yourself, that if the medical science has been saying this, that everything is hereditary, there is nothing that is hereditary. It's only that your way of thinking, believing and taking things is like maybe your father or your mother. Now you have to change that part of you, not that accept it in every cell of your cells are not born like that. Have you ever seen a child, even if you know the parents are having diabetes or hypertension, have you ever seen a child who is born with this disease? Have you ever seen the doctor saying, okay, आपके बच्चे में ये बीमारी है? That is only maybe 5%. 95% of us are born healthy, isn't it? Yes, no?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
And that
Yes.
5% of the kids who are born with maybe a rare disease is because of what they have carried from the past life. It's never that, the thing of the mother has passed on or the father has passed on. No, it's not coming from the genes. There's a book called You Are the Placebo. It's a beautiful book which says that anything and everything, whatever you're carrying, even since your childhood, can be reversed. And this is really true. So, and also those children who are born with that, they must be, they in their past life, उन्होंने कुछ इकट्ठा नहीं किया है, जिसके कारण उनको इस life में भी they are dealing with it. It's all about, it's a big science. We don't want to go into it, but whatever, each one of us have some knowledge about it. So actually now is the time. So अगर इस life में हमने अगर gratitude को इकट्ठा कर लिया है, it's going to take us, that's the only thing which is going to go when we die. That's the only thing which is going to go. Your deeds, your gratitude, your whatever. So right now, let me talk, just gratitude is the only thing which is going to go with you after we die. That's the reason we are in this path, and we are every moment, different ways we are doing it. So it's a birthright of full health. We all are born with full health. Just remember that. And today I'm telling you all, just my invitation to all of you is that just identify your limiting beliefs about health. And today we are going to make it into an empowering belief. Just think of this thing. First, identify. Everybody, have you identified your limiting belief about your health? Everyone, yes, no, before we go further?
Yes.
Yes.
So write it down. You might have more than one. Just write it down. Okay. So now we have a new way of saying that if we supposing this is not something is not well in our body or mind, we are feeling low, we are feeling depressed, we are feeling irritable, we are feeling anxious, or some pain, aches and pains in the body, then just say, instead of saying, oh, mujhe sar mein dard ho raha hai, I'm having a stomach ache and my knees are paining very badly and my lower back is paining so badly that I can't lift up today. I can't wake up from bed. Just say this, that I am little less than full health today. You know inside your mind, but don't keep on saying this, because you will keep on saying to everyone you're talking to somebody, और क्या हालचाल है, बहुत दर्द है, आज मुझे पता नहीं क्यों सुबह से I woke up with this pain. What are you doing? You're giving more and more focus to that pain. You're giving more and more energy to that pain. So stop doing it. Just say, I'm less than full health. Just say this to yourself and see, you feel so beautiful. And your body starts understanding, because each and every cell of your body is listening to whatever you are saying and feeling. So you're changing the cellular memories. Even some belief you have been carrying since childhood, kuch padha tha kabhi. And you know, so I remember when I used to read that book, Reader's Digest. How many of you remember that book, Reader's Digest?
Yes.
I have read it.
Yes.
I used to read it a lot.
And the articles in that, each and every article, that one article which I used to remember, I used to read that first, drama in real life. And laughter is the best medicine for health. The first page was, the first page was the vocabulary, first 2 pages. So every part of that book was really good. And I remember reading that one article in that book which said about the same thing what we are talking about, that you know, it was a true story that wherein a girl, how she healed herself. She got breast cancer because her mother had breast cancer, and I was identifying myself so beautifully with it. And it just happened after my mom surgery was done, and I don't know, and I just read that, and then my belief became so powerful that yes, this book is also saying, this chapter, this, you know, this, the person who was sharing, it was a real life story. So, but then what the other part of the story was, that she healed herself. She healed herself from that belief which she was carrying. So that again was a real good awakening for me, that this is also possible. So that was the time when I just took it, that, you know, took charge of my life, that this has to go. So the universe gives you all the opportunities. You get lots and lots of cues from the universe. It keeps on testing you. Remember that. You have to see, you have to pick up what is the best thing for you. And we only choose to be in that space, whether it's a good space or a bad space, whether it's a good feeling or a bad feeling. So when it comes to health, just identify again, all of you, your beliefs, and we are going to heal it completely today. After the end of this, by the end of the session, that has to go. Whether it's a knee problem or a lower back problem, I'm going to share later on as we go further about my lower back thing also. Yeah, please continue.
Gratitude is one of the fastest ways I know to magically begin experiencing the full state of health you are meant to have in your body and mind. All the miracles of healing we see happen are simply the result of full health being restored instantly in the human body, where before there was less than full and perfect health. If you don't think gratitude creates miracles in your health and body, then read some of the thousands of miracle stories on the Secret website, www.thesecret.tv/stories.
Yes, so we read, we saw in the Secret movie, na, the lady who had cancer and how she kept herself happy, and she kept on seeing those happy movies or serials, you know, which kept her laughing and laughing, and then cancer left her body. Do you remember anyone seeing this?
Yeah.
movie?
Yes.
And also the man, that man who fell down from because of the airplane crash.
Airplane.
Each and every
Yes.
bone, his ribs were broken. And how he just thought that, no, I have to heal myself and walk out of the hospital without anyone's support, and he did it. How did all
Yes.
this happen? So these are the miracles of healing that is always there with us. The miracles are always there with us. अगर हमने ये सोच लिया कि नहीं मुझे कैंसर हो गया है और अब तो बस डेथ ही होने वाला है, और you know anything else which is going on right now, then तो I mean you really have to work on it. But उसी time you have to really change your thoughts and feelings about it. There's an opportunity. There are two paths which we can work on. Yes. Yes. Somebody wants to say anything?
वंदना जी, हम उसको विल पावर भी बोलते हैं ना?
हाँ, विल पावर भी बोलते हैं. Yes, you have the will power, but उसके साथ साथ में you have to be grateful also. That gratitude element also we have to bring in right now. Will power, अभी तक हमें पता था कि will power. I don't know what is. Can you define will power? What you are thinking?
अंदर की जो शक्ति है वो आपको स्ट्रांग बनाती है, और जो भी आपके पास जो दुख या तो कोई पेन आए उसके साथ लड़ने की ताकत देती है. Mentally strength.
Yes, that
will
is
power
one of
is
the healing powers that
Shakti.
we all have. Yes.
Ichha Shakti. Willpower is.
Shakti. Yes. So that is one of the healing powers that we all have. But sometimes what happens is, so there are different ways. So gratitude is one of the best ways that can create miracles in your health and body. I mean, अगर आपको लगता है कि विल पावर से I have been able to sail through अभी तक जो भी हुआ है, but will power से sometimes what I feel is that you have, supposing you have fever, okay, and you have 1 degree fever, you have just 100-degree fever temperature, and there is some important work which you have to do. You know, कुछ ऐसा है जो आप ही कर सकते हो और कोई नहीं कर सकता है, और आप अपने विल पावर से खड़े होके you're doing that work. Okay, supposing that you have to go and open your shop and you have to do it because there's nobody. So, you know, you take medicine, you with your willpower, you just go, and you know, the fever is still there throughout the day, but because of your willpower. But tell me one thing, is your body feeling complete health, incomplete health, full health? Yes, no.
No.
The willpower is coming from the mind, but what your body is experiencing, it is experiencing. Maybe it's possible by your willpower. If you have a very strong willpower, you'll heal your body also. वो temperature भी चला जाएगा. That is also possible. But yes, the pain which the body is going through, it's still there. But with gratitude, the pain disappears. So जैसे एक हम दाल में तड़का लगाते हैं, तो एक चीज डालना भूल जाते हैं तो उसका फ्लेवर चेंज होता है ना. Like supposing हमने हींग डालना भूल गए हम दाल में, तो कुछ तो फ्लेवर में चेंज आता है, right? Yes, no, everybody?
Yes.
हींग अगर डालते हैं तो उसका actual, then we say, wow, the actual taste of dal has come. Yes, so gratitude is that tadka, you know, that is that thing which is required for everything. I hope everyone has understood this.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, properly.
Thank you so much. Yes.
Gratitude's magical power increases the natural flow of health to the mind and body and can assist the body in healing more quickly, as countless studies have shown. The magical power of gratitude also works hand in hand with good bodily care, nutrition, and any medical assistance you might have chosen to follow.
So this is written in italicized lines, increases the flow of gratitude's magical power. Willpower है, पर वो increase कर देता है natural flow of health to the mind and body. So it's an added thing. It increases and it heals the body more quickly. Yes. When there is some kind of sickness.
When there is some kind of sickness or condition in your body, it is understandable that you may have negative feelings about
yes,
ma'am, your pitch about ma'am, your photo is there. Your pic is there.
So it's always there.
आज about मेरे फोन में नहीं दिख रहा है क्या है वहाँ पे.
आप थोड़ा सा छोटा करिए उसको, लेटर्स.
Okay.
Able to see.
Yeah. about it like worry, frustration, or fear. But having negative feelings about sickness does not restore health. In fact, it has the opposite effect. It reduces health even more. To increase your health, you need to replace the negative feelings with good feelings. And gratitude is the easiest way to do it.
So let's look at the current scenario. अगर एक छींक भी आ जाती है, गले में थोड़ा सा भी दर्द हो जाता है, running nose और coughing शुरू हो जाता है, we start thinking in that one direction, isn't it? We start becoming negative. Oh, what is happening now? I have to quarantine myself, mask पहन के रखो, and don't let it affect anybody if I'm sneezing, or just pop in a medicine before anything goes, worse. All this worry and fear starts coming up. Today's example is the best example, isn't it? Everybody agrees to this or not?
Yes,
Yes,
The mind
yes.
goes in only one direction. मतलब और कुछ तो रहा ही नहीं है. Just that one thing is there, and we are giving so much importance to it. कितना energies हम दे रहे हैं उस virus को. Just think that what are we doing? We are giving more and more energies to the virus. I remember when it started, it was very mild. When 2019 it started, itna nahi tha. And then suddenly the thought was put into the whole world, that energy was put into the whole world, that this is this. Uska pura awareness, uska pura research, everybody started researching on it. Jitna news mein sunne ko aa raha hai, all that belief was going inside our head. And now it's become like that ki itna powerful ho gaya hai that virus. And what are we doing? So, okay, fine, accept it. Whatever has happened is happened. Now what do? We have a new language in front of us, which we have been learning since last 15 days or more than that. Now what we have to do is be grateful to your ears, be grateful to your eyes. Just shift your focus from there. Could be anything. Instead of getting into that worry, frustration, or fear, instead of going into the negative feeling zone, just shift your focus and lift yourself up from there by just thinking of good things. What is that one powerful, beautiful thing that we can think of is gratitude. And it's the easiest way to do it. Please continue.
Many people also have critical thoughts and feeling of dissatisfaction about their physical appearance. Unfortunately, those thoughts and feelings also reduce the magical flow of health. When there is something you don't like about your body, you are not being grateful for your body. Think about it. By the law of attraction, complaint about your body bring more problem to complain about. And so complaining about your body or appearance.
Yes, so many of us have critical thoughts about ourselves. Isn't it? मेरे बाल अच्छे नहीं हैं. I don't know why इतना hair fall हो रहा है, and ऐसा होगा तो मैं तो गंजी हो जाऊंगी. Or maybe, I don't have long legs. I don't have a perfect slim figure. My stomach is so fat. I don't have good small, I don't have slim fingers. My fingers are so fat. So many thoughts we have about ourselves. My nose is not proper. I don't have a good, my skin is not proper. So many spots are there on my face. My wrinkles are coming on my face. Kya ho raha hai ye? What are you thinking about yourself? Instead of that, just think. So when you are thinking like this, by the law of attraction, you will get more and more situations wherein you will be complaining more and more about your body, because that is what you're feeding your body with. आप उसे वो ही चीज फीड कर रहे हो तो वो ही चीज और बढ़ेगी उसमें. So complaining about your body or appearance puts your health at risk. Just stop it right now. Whenever you look at yourself in the mirror, appreciate yourself. Appreciate yourself. Appreciate your ears, your eyes, your lips, your chin, your cheeks, your neck, everything. Just keep on appreciating. Don't put your focus on the things that you are not liking. Focus on what you have, not what you don't have. So all this, even these smallest of the things, have you ever thought, अगर हम उस area में भी complain कर रहे हैं about our hair, about our eyes, about anything, any part of your body, About your legs. My legs, the shape of my feet is not proper. The fingers are, there is so much distance between the fingers. And look at my nails. They're not shining. They're not healthy. I don't like my nails. कुछ भी दिमाग में चलना शुरू हो जाता है. So that what you're doing with it is that you're putting your health at risk. Now you know. Still you want to do, continue doing it. And still, if you want to change, then what do we do? Let's read further.
Whoever does not have gratitude for their health and their body, even what he or she has will be taken from him or her. Whoever has gratitude for their health and their body will be given more, and he or she will have an abundance of health to their body. You may
always remember one thing. I just would like to mention one thing over here, that always there is an appearance of the thing जो आप देख पा रहे हो, जो आप अपनी बाहर की आंखों से देख पा रहे हो, महसूस कर पा रहे हो, सुन पा रहे हो. You're experiencing that is the appearance of the thing, and behind that appearance is the reality. So remember these two things always. This is a beautiful science. अगर वो ऐसा अगर हम सोचते हैं, just now see that what you're seeing in front of you is the appearance of the thing कि I have this disease, I might get this disease. अगर ऐसा हो रहा है, okay, something is happening in my skin, there are eruptions in my skin. Is it urticaria? फिर वो रिसर्च चालू कर देते हैं कि क्या अगर ऐसा हो रहा है, ये symptoms आ रहे हैं, तो what is happening? So that is the appearance of the thing which is making you move, and your actions are dependent on the appearance. But us samay just pause and think that the reality is not this. The reality is something else. The reality is that I am full of health. My body has that intelligence, and it's quite intelligent enough to heal itself. That is the reality. So just shift your focus and understand this. जब भी कुछ दिखे ना negative thing, think that this is an appearance. This is an appearance, and my mind this time is thinking and feeling this way, but the reality is something else. Okay, please continue.
You may be sick or unwell now, or even in a lot of pain, but if you are reading these words, it can be very difficult to assess feelings.
1 minute. Pooja ji,
pain.
1 second. Your voice.
One whole line. I'll miss.
Pooja ji, wait 1 minute. Your voice is cracking. We can't hear you. Everybody, can you hear Pooja ji?
No, cracking.
Okay.
No, it's breaking.
The voice is cracking.
So is your Wi-Fi, see your network? Can you please check your network?
Yeah.
हाँ, तो कुछ गड़बड़ है उधर ना?
Yeah.
So can we have a second person to read?
Yes, may I read? No,
Yes,
here.
thank you Pooja ji for reading the chapter for us.
Thank you.
Yes. Somebody else?
Yes, may I start?
Yes.
Yeah, you may be sick or unwell now, or even in a lot of pain. But if you are reading these words, you are continuing to receive the gift of health. It can be very difficult to access feelings of gratitude when sick or in pain. But even the smallest bit of gratitude helps increase the magical flow of health to the body.
So the gift of health is keeping me alive. Remember what we did in the previous chapter? And we made a card. Everyone has made that card. The gift of health is keeping me alive. And it really lifts you up at that time, na? Isn't it? If you're seeing that and reading that. So even when you are in pain, when you are sick, it just reminds you. It's a reminder for you that yes, the gift is there. It's been given to you and it's keeping you alive. So it shifts your focus. And the magical flow of, because of that, you feel grateful, and because of you feeling grateful, it increases the magical flow of health to your body. So today's practice, yes?
Today's practice, Magic and Miracles in Health, is designed to dramatically increase your health and happiness. And we are going to take a triple prong approach to accelerate the results.
Yes, so now we are all ready to do this visualization. Everybody, if you can sit straight. And Make yourself comfortable, move your body left, right, center. Just shake your body, shake all the energies of the body, and just focus on your breaths. The breaths that bring us in this moment. जैसे ही हम अपनी सांसों पे ध्यान देते हैं, हम इस moment में, इस present state में, the now में आ जाते हैं. We are in the now. You come in the now as you focus your breaths, your inhalations and your exhalations. And now think about the great health that you received when you were a child. Remember when you were a child, how healthy you were. Just remember that one thing which you felt good about yourself when it came to your health. You didn't know what is stomach ache. You didn't know what is headache. You didn't know what is feeling giddy. You didn't know what, I mean, you were so healthy. Think about those moments and say, thank you. Thank you, my body. Thank you, my mind. And now think about that one thing about your health when you were in college, in your adolescence, in that space of your life. When you were in college and you were so energetic and you used to be on the tips of your toes, you used to be running around and you used to feel on top of the world. Say thank you. You were so intelligent and everybody used to come to you to ask questions and you used to solve everyone's questions. Say thank you. Thank you. Thank you, my mind. Thank you, my body. And think about the time when you grew as an adult. Just now, maybe 15 days back, a month back, or maybe 2 months back, or maybe 6 months back, or maybe a year back, or maybe 10 years back. Just bring that one moment when you were full of health. You were full of health and your energies were high and you were running around and doing all the things, all the activities, all the responsibilities, all the duties that you had. And everyone appreciated you so much. And you felt on top of the world. Think about those moments in your life and bring it in your life right now and say thank you. Thank you, my mind, for being so intelligent. Thank you, my body, for being so healthy. Thank you. Thank you. And feel that gratitude, feel the gratefulness, feel the thankfulness. Feel the shukrana that is flowing in your body right now. And now bring your mind as you smile and feel your entire body as you're sitting. Think about the health that you are receiving right now. Think about the organs inside your body. Think about your 5 senses, the sense of touch, smell, taste, feeling, and hearing. Think of all these senses which are continuously making your life so beautiful. Think about the organs inside, the internal world of happiness and joy and gratefulness. Think about it. All the systems are working so perfectly. All the organs are functioning so perfectly. Just think about your arms, your legs, your hands, your eyes. How beautifully you can see with your eyes and enjoy and appreciate different colors in nature. Think about your ears, how you can hear and feel and just hear your favorite song, the different sounds that you can hear in nature. Think about that. Think about your kidneys and think about this beautiful brain which helps you to intellectualize, which helps you to think, which helps you to understand, which helps you to imagine. Think about it. Think about your heart. How is it functioning and smiling and being there with you and always there with you? And say thank you. Thank you so much. Think about your respiratory system. How healthy it is. Thank you for functioning in full health. Think about your excretory system. Think about your digestive system. Think about your cardiovascular system. And think about your circulatory system. How each one is functioning in its full potential. Thank you so much. Just thank every function of your body, the systems of your body. And now think about, choose that one thing you want to improve about your body. Just that one thing that you want to improve about your body. And when that thing is identified, you've identified that one thing, then just feel that you've got it. It's there. Think about the ideal state. Think about the ideal state, whatever you feel you want for that part of your body or mind. Just think about that and think you have already got it. It's there with you. You've put into motion and you've received that ideal state in your life. Any area of your body or mind, you are attracting and you have attracted that in your life. Think about your eyesight. If you feel, I want to look and see and experience everything around me without my specs, even though I'm having these specs for last 20 years. Think about your eyes, your eyesight, and your excellent vision. Think that it's there. It's there. Wow, wow. My vision is completely like what it was when I was 15 years young. It's like that. When I was born, like that. Think about it. And it's quite possible to imagine and think and make it real. Because it is real. The reality is that your eyes are in full health. Because of the belief that I'm carrying about my eyes, I have got these specs. Because I took it for granted, I have got these specs. And now I'm changing it. Think about the perfect weight, the weight of your body. Whatever it is right now and whatever is your desired weight, your ideal weight. Think about that. And it's there. It's there. Next time you go on the weighing scale and that weight will come. Think about it. Just feel and say thank you. Thank you, my ideal weight. Thank you so much. And you feel so confident about yourself. You feel that self-esteem coming back. And you're fitting into your old clothes. Wow. Wow. And you feel so happy. Wow. I'm fitting into my old jeans, which I used to wear 10 years back. And I'm back into it again. Wow. Think about it. And say thank you. Thank you. Because you've received it right now. Think about your thyroid gland and see it smiling, see it happy, see it joyful. And all the beliefs that I was carrying, that once you've started the medicines and now you can't drop it throughout your life, let me drop that belief. Let me activate my inner power to heal this, to get into the ideal state again, what I used to feel and experience before I actually was diagnosed, before the doctor told me this, and the physical symptoms told me this. And now the symptoms are completely different and I'm out of it. Think about that. And if any negative thought, any obstacle is coming in your way right now, just dissolve it right now. Just tell it to go. And say thank you. Thank you, my thyroid glands, for functioning so beautifully, for helping me maintaining my ideal weight. Thank you. Thank you so much. So I will pause for a minute from now. You can bring in any other thing which you want and think about that ideal state and feel it is there, you've achieved it, it is there. So you will not be hearing my voice for 1 more minute from now. Then bring your mind to your breaths and feel that happiness, feel that joyfulness, feel that gratefulness in your heart. And whatever you're experiencing right now, feel that the entire world is experiencing. The entire world is experiencing this, what you're experiencing right now. Each and every human being is experiencing this state of full health, this state of fullness and wholeness, this state of completeness. And smile, smile. Feel that smile growing in your heart. Feel that smile growing in every cell of your body. All the cells are jumping, jumping, jumping with joy and gratitude. Feel every cell of the body jumping. Like how we see in cartoons, like that. You know, when we see a cartoon movie, we see all this happening. So see every part of your body, every cell jumping. Trillions of cells jumping in the body with joy and gratitude. And let this happiness flow out. Let this happiness flow into every part of the earth, every part of the universe. Each and every living or non-living being is experiencing this. As your happiness is unlimited, as your happiness is infinite. And slowly open your eyes. So we can start reading from very often when the person is diagnosed with an illness.
Yes. Very often when a person is diagnosed with an illness or disease of some kind, they will not only talk about it a lot, but they will research the disease, gathering information about its possible worsening symptoms and related outcomes. In other words, they give their entire focus to the disease. However, the law of attraction says that we can't make a problem go away by focusing on it, because focusing on the problem can only make the problem worse. Instead, we should do the exact opposite and focus on the ideal state for the area of our body that is unwell and give our thoughts and feelings to that. Gratitude for the ideal state of any part of our body powerfully uses our thoughts and feelings together, so we magnetize it to us in one fell swoop.
Yes, so let's pause here. So this is a very beautiful para, very important para, and these lines, especially when it says that एक छोटा सा headache भी हुआ, या something is, some pain is there in the stomach, something is there in the ear, or something is happening in any part of your body, and instantly we start googling and okay, ये हो रहा है, Google Baba, tell me what is happening. ये एक नई disease हो गई है. I mean, pehle, I remember when this awareness was not there, when this technology was not there, and I'm talking of about, I think so, till 7-8 years, there was no awareness of tapping into Google and seeing, before you actually go to the doctor, you become your own doctor only. You gather all the information, and when the doctor says, but Google mein to aisa likha hai na, and the doctor will be, I mean, I'm just thinking of what is the position of the doctors now, how to handle the patient, the complication what the person has come with, and to the questions, the belief of the patient which is there, which is existing already because of Google. So this is, I remember before anything used to happen, we used to go to a doctor, whether allopathic or homeopathic medicines, and we used to take, and with truth and conviction, we used to go to the doctor, और उस truth के साथ में medicines लेते थे, and within few days we used to be fine. But now वो belief को कौन समझेगा, उसे कौन निकालेगा, जो हमने Google पढ़ के हमने research करके, and we are thinking that wow, I have become a doctor and I have researched and I know much about my disease. But you are not understanding, you are putting in more and more focus on that problem of yours. And जितना focus आप डालोगे, उतना वो already आपने worse कर दिया उसको. जितना था, जहाँ पे था, उससे और आगे worse हो गया है. So now what do we have to do? We have to think of the ideal state. क्या चाहते हो आप? What is that what you want in the area of your health? Do you want your stomach ache to go? Do you feel that your headache is no more? Do you feel that the knee pain is gone? Do you feel that the lumbar spine has healed itself? वो L4, L5 में जो gap हो गया है वो चला गया है? Do you want to feel that the fever is gone? Do you want to feel that? Yes, it is possible that you can feel that. ये possibility exist करती है. And if you start, following this possibility, then actually you can heal yourself. And one more thing, what you need to add with this is gratitude. Gratitude for the other parts of the body that are functioning properly. So shift your focus from the problematic area in your body to the non-problematic area, to the healthy and happy part of your body. Is everyone getting me this? Is everyone going to follow this from today?
Yes.
So just shift your focus. Since we are talking of the area of health, just shift your focus. That's what Hina ji you did when you visualized, right? You shifted your focus, and then your daughter-in-law and your daughter were, their fever disappeared.
Yes.
So yes. So okay, somebody's iPhone is scribbling.
Yeah, it's mine.
So how is that happening?
So I would say
Lovely. So just remember one thing: the ideal state. Ideal state क्या है? Ideal state. Remember the appearance of the thing and the reality. Reality, what is there behind? You have to just get in touch with that reality. Okay. So it could be anything. It could be anything. Just imagine when a person can heal a disease like cancer. Disease is nothing when which the body is not at ease. And if it has been created by you, you can recreate it. You can rescript the definition of health. That thing which has come in your body, you can recreate it. Yes, please continue.
Spend 1 minute in visualizing a scene of yourself with the ideal state of your body that you want. And as you see your body in your mind, the way you want it to be grateful for it as though you have received it.
Please continue. Yeah.
So if you want to magically restore health to your kidneys, be grateful for strong and healthy kidneys that filter and shift out all the
body waste.
Yeah, body waste products from your body.
Sorry, shift out all the waste products from your body.
Yeah, waste products from your body. If you want to magically restore health to your blood, be grateful for pure and healthy blood that flows oxygen and nutrients to all parts of your body. If you want to magically restore health to your heart, give thanks for a strong and healthy heart that maintains the well-being of every organ in your body.
Yes, so one thing I wanted to add here is that you can, if something is there, supposing you have diabetes or hypertension. So, you just bring in a code word le aaye ki taki you don't have to say that word diabetes or hypertension again. And on top of that, we say my thyroid, my diabetes, my hypertension, my, could be anything you can say. Why my ovaries are not functioning properly, my uterus, I got my hysterectomy done. So my बोल के आप और उसको induce कर रहे हो, you are making it more powerful. So instead just give a happy word to it. So what I'm thinking right now is, for diabetes you can say my toffee level of my body has gone up. So just that toffee, that chocolate or whatever, that code word, or because it's associated with sweetness, so that's why. So then you feel that okay, it's not diabetes, because diabetes सुनने से इतनी सारी beliefs है दिमाग में, so they all become active again because of that one word, because the doctor has told you, because you've read so many places, because you know that your parents had so many belief systems are fed into your mind. And what is your association with toffee, with the chocolate? What is the association? A happy feeling. So just replace it, just replace and different association develop kar lijiye. For your heart, for your hypertension, you can say that I'm feeling the sweetness of apples, and then apples. So then apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apple is very good for the heart. So your association changes. Where it is changing? In the level of your cells. जो सेल्स में आपने मेमोरीज डाल दी है, जो मेमोरीज बन गई है सेल्स में, वहां से चेंजेस होनी शुरू हो जाती है. और वहां से जब चेंजेस शुरू होगी तो योर एक्सपीरियंस, योर फीलिंग अबाउट दैट थिंग विल चेंज कंप्लीटली, एंड देन इट विल बी out of your body and your system. Does it make sense to you by making this association, everyone?
Yes.
So yes, okay, Shweta. Okay. I think again it's a long chapter today, so now we're about to complete. Yeah. So
if you want to magically improve your eyesight, then give thanks for excellent vision. If you want to improve your hearing, then give thanks for perfect hearing. If you want more flexibility, then give thanks for a perfectly supple and agile body. If you want to change your weight, first think about the ideal weight that you want to be. Then imagine yourself at that ideal weight and give thanks for it as though you have received it now. Whatever it is that you want to improve, first imagine yourself with the ideal state, and then be grateful for the ideal state as though you have received it right now.
Yeah, please continue.
Natural forces within us are the true healers of disease. Hippocrates, circa 460, circa 370 BC, father of Western medicine.
So natural forces, मतलब जो प्राणिक force जो हमारे अंदर है, जो हम प्राणिक healing करते हैं, उसमें क्या करते हैं? You are actually balancing the flow of prana inside your body. The prana जो life force है, which is keeping us alive. अगर प्राण शक्ति बाहर निकल जाए, the body ceases to exist. The body will be dead, and we say, बोलते हैं ना, इसके प्राण निकल गए हैं. So what is that? So it's that the body is having, फिर उसके बाद तो फिर body को जलाना ही है. So that prana which is keeping us alive, that natural force which is keeping us alive, is the true healer of a disease. It's the true healer of a disease. And one of the beautiful things that we are learning in this book is the force of gratitude. The natural force of gratitude, the natural force of happiness, the natural force of joy, which are the true qualities of the prana which is flowing inside our body. What is prana? That life force बोलते हैं, प्राण बोलते हैं, शक्ति बोलते हैं. What is that? It's the energy of the universe, which is flowing inside us. It's the energy of the God. It's the energy of the spirit. So those forces are constantly within us, and they are the true healers of the disease. Hippocrates was a very, very famous father of Western medicine, and he had, he had given us a lot in the world of medicine. So just think that, and just shift your mind. जब भी ऐसा कुछ हो आपके health के बारे में आज से, from today onwards, just imagine the ideal state. Focus shift कर दीजिए. Just shift your focus from what you are experiencing to the ideal state, that you're free of that thing. So I would like to share a quick thing here, because it's very important for you to understand. When we say examples, when we listen to examples, we really connect with it. So I remember when I had a problem in my L4, L5, there was a gap between the two vertebrae, L4, L5, and I had acute pain. And when I went to the doctor, I got an X-ray done, and it came in that, and there was difficulty in moving, bending down, even standing, and all that thing was happening. And my kids were quite young at that time, so there was no possibility of me to have. So the doctor told me to go on a bed rest for a month. And it really scared me that how things going to function. And at that time, I was also into yoga. So I shared, of course, with my yoga sir, and he told me that nothing to worry. That was his first statement. He saw my X-ray reports. First of all, he said, I don't want to see, because he saw me, how I was moving, walking, and behaving. So, I told him that the doctor has told me to go for a bed rest, and I don't want to go for a bed rest. What can I do? So my intention was that I don't want to go for a bed rest. Then so we always used to follow, and we always follow a sequence to the entire month. And that was a really powerful sequence that we were following that month. And I thought that he'll tell me, so he said, okay, let's attend the class. Now I thought that he'll told me few, modifications of the poses, but to my surprise, he told me just do the class as it is for everyone. Even though I couldn't bend, even though I couldn't move my body, even though I couldn't sit down on the floor, even though I couldn't walk properly, he was telling me this. So what was he doing? He was telling me to go into that ideal state. He was telling me to visualize that I am in that state where the pain is not there anymore and my L4, L5 is healed. What I was doing a week back, he was telling me to do that. And so I started doing, because I have faith in him. And when I was doing, in between, on and off, I was coming and asking him, sir, am I supposed to do the inversions? Am I supposed to do the handstand? Am I supposed to do Shirshasana? And he was smiling and telling me yes. And I did it. And believe me, by the end of it, the pain went down 60%. How was that possible? Because of the power, which was, the belief, the faith that I had in him. So that time I didn't know this language of gratitude, but now we have one more thing added. Ek aur tadka add ho gaya hai. The most beautiful ingredient, whatever is there right now, is being grateful. So I was actually grateful to him, because it was, and I kept on doing all my work. Of course, I followed a diet which he told me to, and I followed that, and I was doing all the movements plus one more movement which he told me to practice 3 times in a day. And I kept on doing that, and till today, after that, I haven't gone for an X-ray. I'm talking this about 13-14 years back. It happened to me. उसके बाद मुझे X-ray कराने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ी, just to see that whether things are aligned properly or not, because my body was telling me. My body was talking to me and telling me. The natural forces within me healed me. And of course, the faith is very important. So we all have the faith in this healing power of the body. And we have this beautiful thing with us, which is gratitude. Shift your focus to those parts of the body. Be grateful to those parts of the body which are functioning properly. So I was doing all the jumping movements. My focus was being shifted from the pain in my lumbar spine to the movements that I was doing throughout the class. And I kept on practicing it. And today also, if supposing my practice is not there for a week and little bit, if I start feeling in some part of my body, when I start practicing again, because wo ek association ban gaya na with the practice, that if I don't practice, my body again starts feeling that change. So then again, if I start practicing, my body again comes to that ideal state. Is everyone understanding this?
Yes.
Does it make sense to you?
100%.
Yes.
Yes. So please, now we are those powerful beings. We are the healers of our own body. Think that one thing, that I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. Let this be a mantra from today. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. I am responsible, and I am responsible for all the choices that I make in my life. Just think that you can make it as a mantra from today. When you wake up in the morning, say this to yourself and see how your day unfolds.
Repeat करेंगे please.
I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul.
Thank you.
I am responsible for the choices that I make in my life. I am responsible for the choices that I make in my life. Yes, please continue.
Okay. Last para from
1
magic.
minute. 1 minute. Yeah.
You can follow the magic and miracles in health practice every day if you need to, and you can do it multiple times in a day if you really want to accelerate the magical restoration of full health or the improvement of an aspect of your body. But it is vital that whenever you have a negative thought or feeling about the current state of your body or health, that you replace it immediately by visualizing yourself with the ideal state you want, and by being truly grateful, as though you have already received it. The most effective way to guarantee health, other than taking good care of yourself physically, is to continue to be grateful for your health.
Yes.
Magic practice number 16. Magic and miracles in health. First, count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Second, recollect 3 separate times throughout your life when you felt on top of the world, and give sincere thanks for those times. Third, think about 5 functions of your body that are well, and one by one give thanks for each one. Fourth, choose one thing about your body or health you want to improve and spend 1
minute
visualizing yourself with the ideal state of your body or health. Then give thanks for this ideal state. Fifth, just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Yes, so thank you for reading, Pooja ji and Nupur ji. Thank you for reading. Thank you so much. Awesome. So yes, we complete today's chapter. Awesome, lovely. And if you have any questions, because health is one thing which is really important, and I didn't want to hurry up, even though it's 7:10. I mean, it's fine. I mean, we all want to be healthy, and we all want to be happy. We all want to be really healthy, especially at the time we are right now. And the universe is telling us now, the universe is telling us and taking us left, right, and center, that now is the time that you have to think about this, which is the greatest gift that you have got. We had actually started ignoring our health, just running in different directions throughout the day. Pain ho raha hai to pop the pills and then start to work. Nothing doing now. Just improve your health now. Now is the opportunity for us to do that. Okay, so we have all the tools now how to be in full health. We have affirmations, we have the magical power of gratitude, we have our visualizations, we have everything with us. So now nobody can say that no, I'm not in perfect health. I am in full health now. Something is happening. I am less than full health today. Don't start complaining about your health. What is that?
So I'm less than a full health. तो हिंदी में क्या कह सकते हैं?
फुल हेल्थ को क्या बोलोगे आप?
मतलब कि फुल हेल्थ फोकस करना है. That's main thing is that I am perfectly healthy.
उसको आप हिंदी में कन्वर्ट करिए फुल हेल्थ को.
तो वो
संपूर्ण स्वास्थ्य, संपूर्ण स्वास्थ्य. तो उसको आप लेस देन फुल हेल्थ. मेरा स्वास्थ्य कुछ कम है आज, कुछ कम है. मेरा स्वास्थ्य कुछ कम है. नहीं बोलना है कि ये हो रहा है वो हो रहा है, उसको डिस्क्राइब नहीं करना है. डिस्क्राइब करने से आप उसको फोकस उसी में डाल रहे हो.
Okay.
Even if you have vertigo, just say that I am feeling less than full health today. Don't put your mind in the names which the medical science has given you, which the doctor has fed into your mind and your system. Not the doctor guided you, but you fed into your mind and your system. So it's you who did it. So now it's you who is going to take it out. Okay.
और ये जो पेन है अभी है लोअर बैक पेन, तो मैं इस तरह ले रही हूँ कि इट्स फॉर सम पर्पस from in my life. I'm just taking it like that. So is it proper way? That is here.
क्या है जिसको आप
ले? पेन है, lower back pain है, which comes, which came in my life. It's just there, and I'm holding it like that. It's for some purpose.
So what is the purpose? You need to identify the purpose. आपको पता चल गया, आपने आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया आपका.
हाँ, yes, purpose क्या है वो आइडेंटिफाई हो गया. Yes.
बस मतलब क्या इमोशनल रीजन जो अटैच्ड है वो आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया आपने.
हाँ, yes.
Okay. So what is it?
वो क्या है?
हाँ, what is it?
अपने लिए बेटर, मेरे खुद के लिए टाइम ज्यादा स्पेंड कर सकूं.
No. हर पेन अपने बॉडी में is connected with some emotional reason is attached to it. So lower back pain आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि क्यों हो रहा है. Generally just identify, is it because of some financial stress which you are going through, or yes, no?
No, not that. Yes.
Not really. Something which happened in the past and you were carrying and you were holding on to it. Maybe अभी नहीं है, but past में जब आपको ये lower back pain आया था, were you going through some financial stress?
हाँ, yes, past में है, हाँ था, yes.
So then that is the reason behind it.
Okay.
So then you have to be grateful. आपको money के area में you have to start being grateful.
Okay.
So sit down and write whatever you're grateful for in the area of money. Everything what comes in our body, it starts in the mind first. First, it starts in the mind in the form of thoughts. Then it creates emotions, feelings. Then it goes to the energy body. And then it comes to the physical body. Last में physical body में आता है.
Okay.
So then now you have to reverse it.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, so now just see when you're writing your, your complaints about money. कुछ complaints होंगी money के बारे में, तो आपको अब gratitude लिखना है money के बारे में. And I would suggest put your left palm on the area जहाँ पे आपको दर्द हो रहा है, उधर हाथ को रख के and then start writing. So you will connect to the emotions of that part of your body, the emotional body, the energy body of that part of your body.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. And share if you are feeling any difference, just so that you know that you're going in the right direction. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
वंदना जी,
हाँ,
मैं शेयर करना चाहूंगी. जो आपने वो पूरे हेल्थ के चैप्टर में बोला कि हम मिरर में देख के बोलते हैं कि ये मेरी स्किन ऐसी है, मेरे हेयर ऐसे है, मेरे, तो क्या होता है, मेरा बेटा है, उसकी थोड़ी स्किन डार्क है, तो वो बोलता रहता है कि मैं काला क्यों हूँ, मैं. तो अब क्या हुआ कि बाय गॉड ग्रेस ही सेट इन केन्या. तो अब मैं बोल रही हूँ यार तू तो वहां का तो अब हीरो हो गया है, वो लोग तो कितने काले और तू कितना हैंडसम है.
So now what is his experience? What is he saying?
नहीं, हाँ तो कि मम्मी अच्छे हुए मैं शादी करके गया हूँ, नहीं तो मैं वो वहां से काली लेके आता.
So lovely what you just shared. एकदम आपने उसका belief को बिल्कुल change कर दिया है. But has he accepted? So ask him now, is he happy with the color he has?
नहीं, वो अब तो बोल रहे हैं मैं तो इधर का हीरो हूँ मैं. So
nice.
और
See
ये
how we can change our beliefs. हमारे beliefs को हम कैसे change कर सकते हैं? Just by one simple thought.
और ये विजुअलाइज के बाद जैसे मेरी बॉडी को मैंने वो स्माइली बॉल आता है ना, ऐसे फील किया, सॉफ्ट और स्माइली, और पूरी वर्ल्ड की पिच पे खेलने के लिए अब मैं रेडी हूँ.
Wow. Wow. Awesome.
Can I share?
Yes.
When we were doing this exercise, when you asked us to shut our eyes and imagine I actually went into the subconscious state where my body was in the relaxed mode. I actually, like how it happens in the Shavasana, I was into that mode, and I was feeling here and there somewhat, pain or essay. It's all settled. It's all, like the visualization, the imagination, it really works. And how you said, like how our sir, Jahangir sir says, there is no problem. And I could, you were talking of him, and I could see him smiling and telling him, it's not a problem. You're fine. And he actually will not look into the reports. He is not wanting to see. He will just look at you and, and he will ask you to do, and it works. Like he asked me to work with colors. And the day I work with colors, the day I paint, it is magical for me. It is very beautiful. So it really works. So please, people, do it. It works. Right.
And now we have the biggest tool with us, which is gratitude. So it doesn't come back to our life. Use this tool to your maximum. Whatever we have collected, the knowledge, what we have, the experience, what we have, it is an added knowledge to it, the tool of gratitude. Yes?
वंदना जी, जब कल आपने बोला था ना कि कल अपना हेल्थ का चैप्टर है, तो मैंने थोड़ा सोच के रखा था कि मेरा ये पोर्शन में पेन है, मैं आपको बताऊंगी, या तो मुझे ये सॉल्व करना है. 3-4 पोर्शन थे वहां जहाँ पे मुझे कंसंट्रेट करना था. पर आज जब आपने विजुअलाइजेशन करवाया ना, तो मुझे याद ही नहीं आ रहा था कि मेरे कोई पार्ट में पेन है या नहीं है. और आपने बोला कि आपका ईच सेल डांस कर रहा होगा, पर मुझे तो इसकी जगह पे मेरे हार्ट में 2 टाइनी हैंड्स एंड 2 टाइनी लेग्स आ गए थे, और वो जैसे मतलब डांस कर रहे थे, ऐसा फीलिंग आ रहा था उस वक्त. सच्ची में वो फीलिंग बहुत अच्छा था. एकदम काम हो गए थे, और एकदम मतलब कोई भी पेन नहीं था, कोई कंप्लेन नहीं थी इस वक्त. वो मोड पे चली गई.
अभी क्या है?
अभी एकदम हैप्पी हेल्दी हूँ, अच्छा फील हो रहा है.
जो पेन आपने जो आइडेंटिफाई किया था, वो है कि नहीं है?
नहीं, अभी ऐसा कुछ नोटिसेबल नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है.
Wow, very good.
It's
so
a
now
miracle.
Keep on imagining this, keep on visualizing this. You can start your day giving some time to your health, to your body. Just thank your eyes, just thank your ears. कुछ टाइम नहीं लगता है, just 5 minutes लगता है. You're on the bed, your eyes are shut, and you're sitting on the bed and doing this. And believe me, your body will feel lighter from that time onwards. आप देखना, आप 1 हफ्ता करके देखो ऐसे, you will feel a marked difference. जो आप कर रहे हैं वो कर रहे हो, पर इसके साथ में ये भी ऐड कर दीजिए आज से.
Yes. आज मैंने ब्लेसिंग्स में भी मेरी बॉडी को ही लिया था कि बॉडी के हर एक पार्ट को मैं ग्रेटिट्यूड पे कर रही थी, और सुबह मैंने वो ही एक्सरसाइज की थी, और आज पूरा वो ही आया. अच्छा रहा वो.
Lovely. Thank you everyone for sharing.
Just one last thing.
Yeah, you want to share? Okay.
Yeah. So I have always been having an headache. It's a everyday thing, like since I think 1 year or more than that, probably. So I understood the reason was when I go outside in sun or something, I start getting that headache due to the migraine reasons, what scientifically we say. So after the sessions, I started thanking the sun, like, thank you for enlightening my life, giving me like light in the life, then making me shine like you, the same shineness what you spread similarly. So then it's like almost 1.5 a week that it's completely gone. It's like daily उठने से ही it used to come from the start of the morning. So like every day it's the same cycle which goes on. Now it's completely gone.
Did you have an association with the sun कि धूप में जाने से migraine होता है?
Yeah, और मुझे होता ही है because whenever I go out, even market, half an hour I'll go and come back, I will start getting a headache. Now, whenever I see the sun, I start thanking it. Ki thank you for giving the sun rays, thank you for giving us light and all that. So I started giving gratitude to sun, and it has completely changed.
So your belief got replaced and with gratitude.
Yes.
So it was so beautiful. Yes.
So like how we did for people yesterday,
yeah,
I did that for sun actually, and somehow it worked. I mean, I used to do it, not yesterday, but I was doing since a long time. So it
so
worked.
carry on doing it, keep on doing
Yeah.
it, because if you are grateful, if you're getting connected with that, with the sun, it's nothing beautiful than that, because you will
Yeah.
see so many other things will start shifting. You know, you will start glowing, your skin will start glowing, and it will be really beautiful. If you're doing it from the time when you're waking up in the morning, if you're doing it that time, it will do wonders to you. More
Yes.
and more magics will come in every part of your life. I request everyone to connect with the sun. Sun से जितना हम connect करते हैं, उतना things will start revealing itself and change and shift, and miracles will start happening in your life. Very good that you just shared. Very powerful. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, and keep on doing this. Even if you don't see the sun, you know what my sir says is that the moment you can see the color of your skin and the color of your clothes, that means the sun is there.
Okay.
Even if you can't see the physical sun, आप अपने स्किन के कलर को देख पा रहे हो, क्लोथ्स के कलर को देख पा रहे हो, मतलब the sun is there. Anyways, it is there. The sun never sets, it always goes down. Sunset जो हम बोलते हैं, because वो हमने एक word, एक association बना लिया है कि the sun is setting and the moon is rising. No, the sun always goes down and it is rising. It's coming in, you know, some other part of the world. People can see it. Even if you can't see it, you can feel it. You can experience it. Just close your eyes and visualize the sun in front of you, and it's there. The light, you can feel the warmth, you can feel the energy, you can feel the happiness.
Yes, and it's the moon is like sun is not going and moon is coming. I would rather say the sun is sending the moon to give a different form of a light, which is of more calmness and more of peace, so that we get a peaceful sleep at night. Very good
way to connect with it. And if this thing has come, I would like to add one more thing, that when you see the rising sun, when the sun is just coming up, actually the sun and the moon are the same. You can experience that. How? When you see the sun coming up, just as you know, just 15 minutes when the sun, you know the time of the sunrise and you can see it. Okay, when it's just that golden orange ball, it's not become yellow as yet. Or when the sun is going down, that time you just look at the sun, don't flicker your eyes, just look at the sun without flickering your eyes. Everyone, are you understanding? एकदम उसको गेज करना है, अपनी आंखों को, पलकों को झपकाए बिना. तो आप देखोगे कि the sun will get converted into a moon. Try doing that, and it's so beautiful, and it actually feels that the moon, when we've read that, the moon gets its light from the sun. Actually, the moon and the sun are the same. And it's explained in Bhagavad Gita also that the sun and the moon are two eyes of Lord Krishna. So the right eye and the left eye. The right eye and left eye, you can't say, they are different, they are the same, right? So they are the two eyes of Lord Krishna. When in his the Virat Swarup, it is explained that they are the two eyes. So just try doing this. When you do this, the sun actually, you know, पूरा बाहर का जो halo होता है sun का, that golden light, it will turn into bluish whitish light, and the circle will become white. It will become like a full moon. Try doing it, but don't try when the sun is at its highest. Don't try at that time. मतलब जब when the sun is going down, अगर आप west side में आपके घर के देखोगे तो the sun will go down. At that time, just look at the sun. Or when the sun is rising, maybe 6:30, 6:45 now. Okay. So see, you can
Yes.
try in the evening today, and let's all share whatever I experience. And it really feels beautiful that the sun getting converted into moon. Yeah.
I have one small thing also.
Okay.
Like yesterday, my dad completed like 1.1 year 7 months. So I just put some post with a good quote that his hand is on my shoulder and he's still guiding me. Some quote which I found on net. So then I don't know, but so many people started texting me on that story I had put on Instagram. So then they reverted back to it. So there was one person, he was my neighbor. I didn't talk so much with him. We were just good, like neighbors, I say. And suddenly he messaged and he's like, hey, your dad had just once told me that why do you, like he was throwing some garbage. So that time my dad told him कि जो fruits and vegetables का peel होता है, उसका छिलका. So why are you throwing it in the dustbin? You can give it to the cow. So he just messaged that he's like, "Hey, that is one thing I remember so well, and it's been today's day that I still follow it so so well that it was one of the guidelines which he gave me." And it's like at that moment I felt that we should always have that one aim in our head that somewhere we can give some guidance to someone that could change someone's life.
Yeah.
So that is one thing I want to share, that we can keep that aim in the head that
Yes.
something we can change for someone and which would, you know, be a lifelong experience for the person.
Yes. So now you have that one tool with you. What is that tool?
Yes. I'm searching for it. Happiness, one is to.
Yeah.
And the other is that being an architect, I want to create dream homes for people. Like not as my profession, but as something which I can give as a, you know, like, I don't know the proper word for it, but yeah.
Very
Maybe
good. Very
magic
good.
house.
Good
Magic
cause.
Sorry.
Very good cause. I mean, whatever you have thought is a very, very noble thing. What you have thought.
Yes.
Very
I
beautiful.
always had this one for the blind people. Like I
Yeah.
want to do something, I want to create, because the corners are something which would hurt them. So I wanted to build, like it was a very dreamy thing when I was like into the start of my architecture. So that time I had this key, something which is made of a lot of curves or something which is not sharp edged, which would never hurt them even if they are walking or doing anything like that.
So you want to create a home for them.
Home for them, yeah.
So
Yeah.
which has got no sharp edges and so for the
Yes.
blind people. Okay, for the
Yes,
blind.
yes, for the blind people.
Wow. And
So
the universe's blessings are there with you. Have you written this in your dream list?
yeah.
Lovely, lovely. Nice. So you will get it, and we all will
Yes.
hear about your achievements one day.
Yes.
Maybe, yes, you will. I mean, you will be, I mean, the whole world will appreciate whatever you're doing.
Yes.
Very beautiful, very beautiful what you just shared. Awesome.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. And what you said about your father was really good. So now you actually you connected with him so beautifully. You remembered.
Yeah.
And we think that, because the energy body of that person is always around you. Whenever you want
Yes.
that body to come and you want to sense and experience it, it's always there. Energy body is unlimited, na? It can travel anywhere, anywhere it can go.
Yeah.
Even if you are sitting here and your energy body can go to US. You can try doing it.
Yes.
You must have experienced it also.
It does.
Yeah, yeah.
I'll share it tomorrow now.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. You
Yes.
want to share now? Many of us are here. People who wanted to leave, they left. If you want to share, you can share today.
No, I'll share it tomorrow when
Okay.
Rishabh will be there. Today he's not
Okay.
here. He's gone for his vaccination. So
Okay, okay. All well
yeah.
there?
Yeah.
Lovely, lovely.
Yes.
So then we can end today's session. Thank you
Yes.
everyone for
Thank you.
being in this powerful session and being a part of it.
Thank you.
So much. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.